Long division with number chips. This is the Valentine's Day version. And it starts with some vocabulary, the dividend, divisor, and quotient. And then on the following slide, it shows them where they go around the house or the box, whatever you want to call that, and where the numbers go. So the first number goes in the box or the house. And then on slide 4, they start with the number chips. So the number chips are good for the students because first, they're fun to move around the slide, and all of the numbers they need are on that slide. So if the students are struggling a little bit, it gives them that little boost of knowing they have all the numbers they need. So slide 4 is just an introduction of where they're going to put their numbers from their division problem into this little house or box. So they're going to click and hold on a number, and they need to know that the 52 goes inside and the 7 or the divisor goes outside. So they're just going to put those in the correct place. Slide 5 gives them a little boost with this acronym dad, mom, sister, brother. So they divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. And the next few slides are going to walk them through those steps. Slide 6, all they're going to be doing is the first step, which is divide. How many times does 6 go into 45? Well, it goes 7 times, even though there's some left over. 38 divided by 7, well, 7 goes into 38 5 times with some left over. And then 5 goes into 6 1 time. So the next slide, they're going to be dividing and then multiplying. So dad, mom, divide, multiply. So the first thing, they already know where to put the numbers. 36 divided by 8. Then they're going to divide the next step. 8 goes into 36 4 times. And then the next step is to multiply. So you're going to multiply these numbers that are outside. So 8 times 4 would be 32. So now they've divided and they've multiplied. The next slide is just going to expand this and finish the problem. So they already know 36. And they may need a little practice moving these around. 36 divided by 8. They've already determined that 8 goes into 36 4 times. They know to multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. And then they're given a little reminder that this number up here is their quotient or their answer. Now the next step after dividing and multiplying is to subtract. So they're going to take 36 and subtract 32. That gives them 4. So now they have an answer of 4 with a remainder of 4. Now as they go through the slides, each problem gets a little bit more difficult. So they get a lot of practice doing this long division with the number chips. And the number chips just make it a lot more fun and a little bit easier to get through for the students.